Hey everyone, today we're diving into a brilliant financial strategy that puts your idle cash to work every single day with almost zero risk. Picture this, you've got 10,000, a lakh, or maybe even 5 lakhs just sitting in your bank account right now. As women taking charge of our own wealth, we all want our savings to generate daily income without taking those massive stock market gambles, right? Well, in today's explainer, we are unpacking a fascinating tool called the overnight mutual fund. Trust me, by the time we wrap this up, you'll realize that leaving cash to just lazily sit in a checking account is a huge missed opportunity. Let's get right into it.
If your funds are currently chilling in a standard bank account, we need to ask a pretty serious question. Is your money secretly losing its value? When cash just sits there, it feels safe. You get the bank SMS, the balance looks fine, everything seems okay. But here's the reality. The cost of everyday things, whether it's groceries, shopping, or school fees, is constantly going up. That means the money in your bank is actually shrinking in purchasing power. Today, we're going to flip that script and see how to transform that lazy, idle cash into active daily earning capital. So here's how we're breaking this down today. We'll start with the idle cash problem. Then look at smart use cases, peek inside the fund, explain the traps mechanism, and finally show you how to track your returns.
All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the idle cash problem, and how we are losing to inflation. Look at this comparison. Traditional current accounts give us absolutely 0% returns. They're basically just digital mattresses. And savings accounts? Well, you might get a measly 2 or 3% there. The hard truth is, in the real world, these returns completely fail to beat inflation. Literally every single year, the actual purchasing power of your wealth goes down. But on the flip side, overnight mutual funds have historically shown the potential to deliver 5 to 6% returns, or even higher. That's almost double what a basic savings account gives you. And the best part is, the risk profile is still remarkably low. This is an absolutely crucial addition to our financial toolkits.
Moving right along to Section 2, smart use cases, and when exactly you should be using these overnight funds. So the obvious question is, when does it actually make sense to use these funds? Because let's face it, financial instruments are useless without the right goals. Let's look at 3 highly practical scenarios. First, imagine you're saving up for a down payment on your dream home or maybe a large jewelry purchase. You have the cash, but you don't know exactly which month you'll need it. You can't lock that money away long term, but leaving it in savings is just bleeding money. The second use case is perfect for smart investors and businesswomen. Say you just sold some shares, and the cash is sitting in your demat account earning absolutely zero interest. While you're looking for your next investment, park that cash in an overnight fund and put it to work. And third, perhaps the most important, building a strong, independent emergency fund where your capital is safe but still earns a decent return.
The common thread tying all these scenarios together is flexibility. Overnight mutual funds are absolutely ideal for short-term situations where you just don't know your exact withdrawal date. You literally don't need to lock your money away for years to see it grow safely, and that is their true superpower. Now, of course, they aren't going to give you those massive 10 or 12% returns like high-risk equity funds, but they provide something better for short-term money. Incredible peace of mind. Knowing your cash is instantly accessible without penalties if an emergency pops up, that gives you a whole different level of financial confidence.
Let's dive into Section 3, inside the fund. Where does the money actually go? You're probably wondering, what on earth is the mutual fund manager doing with our cash behind the scenes? When I first looked into this, I was honestly surprised. It felt like uncovering a massive industry secret. Let's take a real-world example, like the ICICI Prudential Overnight Fund. And just a quick aside, this is purely to help us understand, not a recommendation. Looking at this fund, a massive 95.14% of the assets are placed into something called traps. Fund managers aren't just dumping your money into an ordinary bank account. They're using highly specific overnight debt instruments. So that naturally leads us to wonder, what exactly is traps and how does it keep our money safe? That brings us to Section 4, the traps mechanism and nightly cycle. Okay, this mechanism is truly fascinating. Every single day, banks have to follow strict rules set by the central bank, the RBI, and maintain a certain level of capital by the end of the day. Sometimes, right at closing time, a bank falls a little bit short. They desperately need cash, but literally only for one night. So in step 1, our overnight mutual fund manager goes to the bank and says, "Hey, I have my investors' cash. I'll lend this to you overnight." But the manager is smart. They ask, "What if you default?" And here's where step 2 kicks in. The bank gives the manager government treasury bills, or T-bills, as an ironclad guarantee. Now keep in mind, because these are government bonds, the default risk is practically zero. Then step 3. The very next morning, the bank says, here's your cash back, plus the one night of interest we agreed on. Now please give us our T-bills back. It's a perfectly balanced, beautifully safe nightly cycle. And that gives us the formal definition of TRAPS, the Treasury Bill Repurchase System. This is the beating heart of overnight mutual funds. The concept is basically the exact same as giving your gold chain as collateral for a one-day loan and then paying it off to get it back the next morning. The only difference is, instead of a gold chain, they're using highly secure government Treasury bills. The Treasury bills are transferred and then repurchased the very next day. The fund manager collects that overnight interest, deducts a tiny little fee, and passes the rest of the profit straight back to you. Because this entire overnight system is guaranteed by government bonds, these are widely considered the safest debt funds out there. If we look at the safety profile, the default risk is the lowest possible because you have the power of government T-bills backing it up. Interest rate risk, that's also extremely low because the money is literally only lent out for a single night. You'll never get stuck with a bad rate for years. And liquidity risk is minimal since the cycle completes daily, giving you super fast redemptions. Now, in the finance world, we never say zero risk, but believe me, this is about as close as it gets. It's exactly this kind of safety net that helps us women step out of traditional low-yield savings and make confident, empowered financial decisions.
Finally, let's head into Section 5, tracking returns and what to expect. So let's talk about the most important part, our actual payoff, the taxes, and how you can track these returns yourself. See, you don't need to blindly trust a financial advisor here. You are completely independent. All you need to track is the nifty one-day rate index. If you ever want to know how an overnight fund is currently performing, just pull out your phone and Google this index. Your fund's return will closely mirror this index, minus that tiny expense ratio we talked about. And since this interest rate is directly influenced by RBI movements, you're always completely in the loop. Now, it's true that returns fluctuate with the economy. For instance, during the tough times of 2020, they dropped to about 3%. But looking at recent data, the picture is incredibly strong. Across 44 different overnight funds, the recent 3-year rolling average is sitting comfortably between 6.79 and 7.15%. And here's the absolute best news, so listen closely. In our normal savings accounts, TDS, tax deducted at source, is automatically slashed from our interest, which is super frustrating. But with overnight mutual funds, there is absolutely no TDS deducted. It's a massive aha moment. Yes, standard income tax will apply when you actually realize those returns, but without that automatic TDS draining it early, your money gets to compound so much more efficiently. We've seen how standard accounts cause us to lose out to inflation, how the TRAPS mechanism uses government guarantees to keep our capital safe, and best of all, how we can independently track our own returns. So the big question you have to ask yourself tonight is this: while you're sleeping, why isn't your money working for you? How much longer are you going to let your idle cash just sit there? The choice is entirely yours. Check your accounts this week and consider if a highly liquid, short-term overnight fund might just be the next big step in your financial independence. Think about it. Thanks for joining this explainer, and start planning your next move.